for you tonight between the Ducks of Anaheim and the Chicago Blackhawks.
Now we're in for a war here tonight. Both of these clubs play smash mouth hockey.
You don't see many of these guys back down.
The winner here will be the last team standing.
And knowing these teams, that winner will be standing in the penalty box.
Biittistää, Westridis liippistää, pelis alles hämäris, voittamaton NRis, taas uus konsoli, faija on mun sponsori.